Hello everyone, I am Sneha Dakwale and you are tuned in to the 502nd episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with an important update from the Economic Times. Highlights that Agriculture Insurance Company is urging the removal of GST on rural-focused general insurance products, especially those covering agricultural and allied risk. This move aims to make insurance more affordable for rural communities and expand coverage across India's vast farming population. While government-backed schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana are already exempt from GST, the proposal seeks to extend this benefit to all rural-centric policies. CMD of Agriculture Insurance Company Limited emphasizes that aligning this step with the national goal of insurance for all by 2047 will empower rural citizens through accessible protection. With parametric insurance showing promise in tackling climate-related risk quickly and effectively, these initiatives could turn insurance into a tool of resilience, encouraging trust and financial security where it is needed most. Up next, we highlight an important development from The Hindu, which highlights an initiative that the Karnataka cabinet has extended cashless health insurance of up to Rs 5 lakh to 3 lakh outsourced and contract employees and their families at just Rs 100 a year. This initiative under the Suvarna Arogya Suraksha Trust reflects a strong commitment to equitable healthcare. The cabinet also greenlit mobile health clinics worth Rs 17.97 crore to each remote communities, ensuring no one is left behind. Our next update from Life Mint highlights that health insurance is not just about covering medical bills, it is about unlocking access to the best care without fear. In an age where healthcare costs are skyrocketing and lifestyles are changing fast, insurance becomes your financial armor and your peace of mind partner. And here is the empowering part: you are not stuck. If your current plan is not keeping up, you have the right to switch. Thanks to forward-looking regulations by the IRDAI, you can port your health policy to another insurer without losing your hard-earned benefits like waiting period credits or your no-claim bonuses. It is like changing lanes on a highway, smooth, strategic, and designed to get you where you want to go faster, smarter, better. Our final story today from Bangalore Mirror highlights that Bangalore University has announced plans to make health and accident insurance mandatory for all students. This move aims to ensure basic coverage for its student population, including those pursuing undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs across various departments. To manage the financial aspect, the university will include the insurance premium in the annual student fees. While the administration initially promoted enrollment under government schemes like Ayushman Bharat, the limited benefits prompted them to also consider private insurance providers for broader coverage. In addition, the university will implement compulsory enrollment under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Suraksha Yojana, which offers accident insurance. A committee has been formed to assess appropriate plans and premium structures. The urgency of this decision increased following a recent student tragedy, highlighting the need for accessible support systems. While students have expressed concern about added financial pressure, they have also emphasized the importance of quality medical facilities and balanced cost sharing by the university. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great weekend.